Hi, I'm April with WTI. I believe that having the right tool for the right job literally means everything, but especially when it comes to kitchen knives. And just look how easy that was. This 15-piece knife set by Hundop has helped me reduce the amount of time it takes in the kitchen to provide food for my family. These knives are so sharp, and I love that there is a built-in sharpener right here in the block to help keep them that way. I really like how they work and how beautiful they look. There is not only a knife for any job, but it also comes with these great pair of scissors. Cleaning is super easy, and the fact that they are dishwasher safe. I appreciate the storage block looks great and gives me a convenient place to store them. Stop wasting your time with dull knives. Whether for yourself or as an amazing gift, try these knives to get the job done with ease. And that's my point of view.